How to monetize a YouTube channel with low-maintenance strategies in 2024. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube account and set up your channel with a profile picture, banner, and bio. Customize your channel's appearance to make it visually appealing. Step 2. Optimize your videos for monetization. Ensure your videos meet YouTube's monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers. 4 on watch hours in the past 12 months. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Step 3. Enable monetization on your channel. Go to your YouTube studio, click on Monetization, and toggle the switch to On. Review and agree to YouTube's monetization terms and conditions. Step 4. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Go to the YouTube Partner Program website and apply for the program. Fill out the application form and provide required information. Step 5. Set up your AdSense account. Create a Google AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. Fill out the AdSense application form and provide required information. Step 6. Choose your ad formats. Decide which ad formats you want to display on your videos. Display ads, video ads, overlay ads. Customize your ad settings to suit your audience's preferences. Step 7. Create engaging content. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your audience. Create high-quality, engaging content that encourages viewers to watch until the end. Step 8. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and online communities. Collaborate with other creators and influencers to reach a wider audience. Step 9. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers on social media. Encourage audience participation through polls, Q&A sessions, and live streams. Step 10. Utilize affiliate marketing. Research affiliate programs that align with your niche or industry. Promote products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions or cards. Step 11. Offer sponsored content. Reach out to brands or businesses that align with your niche or audience. Create sponsored content that meets brand requirements and promotes their products or services. Step 12. Sell digital products or courses. Develop digital products or courses that cater to your audience's needs. Sell these products or courses through platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Step 13. Use affiliate networks. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. Promote products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions or cards. Step 14. Leverage Patreon. Create a Patreon account and offer exclusive content or perks to patrons. Encourage viewers to support you through recurring donations. Step 15. Monitor and optimize performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance. Monitor ad revenue, engagement metrics, and audience demographics. Optimize your content and strategy based on performance data. Additional tips. Be patient and consistent in creating high-quality content. Experiment with different ad formats and placements to find what works best for your audience. Stay up to date with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Continuously engage with your audience and adapt to changes in the platform. By following these steps, you can effectively monetize your YouTube channel with low-maintenance strategies in 2024. Remember to stay focused on creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience to build a loyal community.